Paris in color. Price: $96. See the sights of Paris through the lenses. Nichelle Robertson, who photographs the city's rich colors and stunning detail. Underwater dogs. Price: $79. Underwater features an adorable underwater view of dogs as they fetch bowls from the depths. Cupcakes and Cashmere at home. Price: $95. In Cupcakes and Cashmere at home, Emily Schumann offers advice on how to make your home more inviting, as well as how to welcome guests and entertain. Shop Cats of New York. Price: $62. Shop Cats of New York gives you the chance to meet and learn the stories of some of New York's most beloved shop kitties, even if you don't happen to live there. The Polaroid Book. Price: $0. Check out over 400 photos from the Polaroid Corporation's collection of the world's greatest Polaroid images in the Polaroid Book. Devoted 38 extraordinary tales of love, loyalty, and life with dogs. Price: $95. Devoted is a collection of photos from National Geographic featuring a gorgeous collection of dog photos, along with heartwarming and inspiring canine tales. California the Beautiful. California the Beautiful. A nesting place, it doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. A nesting place, it doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.